Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to verify Bitcoin on Cash App. In order to verify Bitcoin on Cash App, it is important to understand that the verification process involves verifying your Cash App account rather than the Bitcoin itself. Until your Cash App account is verified, certain transactions such as depositing and withdrawing Bitcoin will not be allowed. To begin the verification process, open your Cash App and navigate to the Money section located in the bottom left corner. From there, select the Buy Bitcoin option. Scroll down until you find either the Deposit Bitcoin or Buy Bitcoin option. It's worth noting again that Cash App requires account verification before enabling these activities. To verify your Cash App account, you will need to provide certain information, including your phone number, cash PIN, legal name, birth date, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. Once Cash App successfully verifies your account, you will be able to buy or deposit Bitcoin. And that's all for now, guys. By the way, if you use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App, we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well.